Now, I want you to watch the start of this race and you tell me who you think will win this race. A Subaru or a Cube? I mean, I've watched it. I just can't understand it. I don't comprehend it. I just watch the show.
Joanna, your busy body busy tonight. Joanna, making all the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna? Hey Joanna, Joanna? Ay ay ay. Hey, how you gonna play me like Drogba, ho? How you gonna do me like Drogba, ho? Oh, DJ Drogba, ho? Hey, DJ Drogba, ho? Ooh. Joanna, your busy body busy tonight. Mad. Joanna, making all the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. How you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you do me like Joanna, Joanna?
Hi, so I'm here with Mr. Imran Khan from Khan Autos, yes, correct?
Auto.
And you're from South?
South, deep South.
Deep South. So how are you enjoying yourself here today?
Real good. Things going real good, yeah.
MOTOR WARZ, is it your first one, second, third?
First time MOTOR WARZ.
Okay, cool. So how was it, because we just done the practice runs, how have that been going?
Practice runs was real fun.
Listen, I see you guys smoking up the whole place.
Yeah, we're drifters, so we just take a little small run in the Dragon White.
Right.
But it was good.
Right, yeah, I see that, man. The crowd loved it. So later on, you're going to be doing some drifting too?
Drifting later.
All right. And that's what half of the people here, probably more than half, looking forward to.
Yeah.
Everyone loves drifting. So, recommendations. If someone wants to start in drifting, what should they do to their car? Or what car should they get? Anything?
Well, anywhere we drive car,
right,
we can drift. We can set it up, that's what we do.
All right, so they can bring a car to you and you can give them advice and build it for them.
Yeah, we can build it to drift.
Right. So who does like the graphics? Because like one thing I must say about your cars, the graphics, man, they look on point. They look on point, you know what I mean? Who does your graphics?
A few guys do the graphics.
Right.
It's like a guy named Kyle and James on Point Footed.
Okay.
And next guy named Joe from Labrador.
Big up Kyle and James and Joe, because you're doing it correct. Trust me. Anyone you want to shout out? Anyone else you want to shout out? Who does your engine, your tuning, all that kind of thing?
Well, the tuner is Tech Point Tuning in Marvin.
Right.
Best tuner, you know, right? The car sponsored by Alpha Batteries.
Right.
Liquid Molly. GT Radial tires.
Right. Nice. Well, big up, man, and always a pleasure. Right. So I'm here with the legendary Mad Cow Trini. How is today? How is your practice runs? How is your actual qualifying runs?
Qualifying runs is going on right now. I did one of the second fastest time of the day. I am very pleased and proud. The day has been so good today, and practice was very good.
So it's not just the one car you're racing, it's two cars and there's 3 cars in the team.
Your team became with 3 cars in our team. My son driving a high-powered Subaru.
Right. I
drive the GTR Skyline, and I also drive a BT18 that I run in circuit racing in Trinidad.
Do you think your son, Roger, is going to give us an interview? Because he always ducking the camera from me. It's very hard to get your son on camera. Do you think you can have a word with him and try and coax him into an interview?
I try, but this guy is performing very well. Yeah. I think he needs some better tires on that car. He did a 52 seconds or something like that, which is very close to the open class, very, very close to the open class. He has the power, but he needed better tires.
So it just started raining. If it does rain, can you take your car out?
It is very difficult to run this car
in rain
with this condition of this track.
And your tires?
And the tires that I have on.
Yeah.
It is a little difficult, but I will have to run because I'm running good in competition. I will go out.
So who right now is your biggest competition? Who's giving you pressure out there?
Well, I see Warner car is running very well.
Who?
Warner. It's a STI Subaru.
Right.
He is running really, really good. But I want the Skyline, the GTR, to run against me in a grudge run.
Oh, have you spoken to him?
Not as yet, but he tell me he brings some pressure for me, so I tell him I'm waiting.
All right, when you say that, he's waiting for you.
So we only have 4 cars in this bracket. So we're running this one time. Winner, winner.
The last time you was on KVTV is at Wallerfield. Someone hit you at the back and you spun out. So did you ever find out who that was?
Yes, I did, but the racing game is a bit unfair, and you know, it's things that you have to live with.
Right, okay, okay. So, you're here today at this event. How's it going? How's your practices? How's your qualifying thing going?
Yep, I've already qualified. We didn't get a good run, but we did a 52 second, so I'll be entering the 52 second bracket.
Right, okay. So tell us a little bit about your car, because this car is making a scene on the track, man. Do you think it's a bit over, because this is a small track, do you think it's a bit overpowered for the size of the track, or what?
Yes, it's a bit overpowered for the track. It's a small track, and when the power comes up in the car, it comes up a little too hard. So we're just trying to play with it and basically see if we could make our way around the track in one piece and with no one hitting us.
Right? Yeah, true thing. This car is totally sponsored by Citroën Used Cars, yeah?
Yeah, Citroën Used Cars, it's my personal vehicle, no sponsors. We build everything ourselves together with the Madcow crew.
So just everything, like tune-up, everything is done by Citroën?
Yeah, everything, it's a personal car, yeah.
Blessings. Anyone you want to shout out?
Just the crew here with us, the Madcow crew, yourself, KVTV, Kenny, Citroën, Sting, that's my dad, the chef, cooks, and whoever is with us helping us.
How was the food?
Food was really, really good.
Nice. Cooks, you do okay? Hi, so I'm here with Justin. Justin, you're driving a lovely car again. I presume you're with the Khan Autos crew?
Yeah, Khan Auto Garage.
Right. So how did you get involved with Khan Autos?
Through working with them.
Ah, right.
Yeah.
So what do you do on the car apart from drive it? Do you build it, or do you do any other technical input into the car?
Yeah, well, we build cars, we build plenty drift cars.
Right.
We modify cars with angle, with lock kit system and thing. Back suspension, coilovers, everything to make sure everything in order.
Okay. So if someone was buying like a car just to get into drifting, what car would you recommend? Any rear wheel or any particular rear wheel?
Any rear wheel?
Anyone?
Yeah.
Box the answer?
Nah, really, yeah. But we mostly like...
No, you said nah, then yeah.
Yeah, well, we mostly like medalists. Medalists is really drift.
Medalists, I hear a lot about medalists is good for drift.
Right.
Okay, anyone you want to shout out?
Yeah, want to shout out to the whole team, the pit crew, everybody.
Right.
Wolf, we sponsor by Wolf Oil.
Wolf Oil, yeah. I see on the back of your shirts it says drift and rally.
Yeah, we have a rally car also.
Who does the rally?
Who working with them have a rally car too.
The queue is going to break out.
Who interviews queue owners, you know?
Listen, people of Trinidad and Tobago, I don't believe my eyes. A cube just mash up a Subaru by this gentleman here, Mr. Fixable, who is not even 100%, he's sick. Explain just what happened, please.
I myself don't even know. I mean, that
How? So what do you put it down to?
I think I need to get sick more often because I don't think I've ever driven like that before. I mean, the Subaru just walked away and I don't know, something happened, man. Something happened.
What do you think? Do you think the Subaru had too much power? Do you think it was your driving skills or what?
No, they say Chinese people can't drive, man, so that can't be right, so you know. We had some decent tires on the car. It's a dead stock Cube. The Subaru, I heard he had some bad tires on, so maybe he couldn't hit the corners as well. But at the end of the day, he had a lot more power than I did, and I just kind of reeled him in over the corners, and it was fun. It was real fun.
I think you've just done a lot for Cube sales in Trinidad and Tobago.
Actually, I heard all of the Tobago guys with Subarus are going to sell their cars tomorrow. So look on all the, you probably get them a good deal. And everybody's buying Cubes. No, I'm just joking.
So tell us a little bit about what you do at Fixables.
All right. Well, actually, this is my work car. My race car is down, as you know. Right. So just decided to bring something and have some fun, make up some numbers, and well, today we're walking in with a trophy. What do? I do a service called Paintless Dent Repair. Right. It's I am a mobile service. Any small to medium-sized dents on your car, I'm able to come to you and repair the dent without any filler or repainting. So I do a lot of work for the new car dealers and stuff like that, and individuals as well. And it saves you time of taking it to a shop for 2-3 days. I come to you, I fix it, and we walk away and we're all happy. Well,
that sounds very interesting. Without no paint or filler.
Yeah.
So hopefully one day we can actually interview you, go more in depth with some sort of insight of what you actually do there.
Most definitely, it's a very technical thing. I went through a lot of training. I've been in it for 5 years. To my knowledge, I haven't found anybody else doing what I do. Not to say that there's not anybody, but I just haven't heard anybody. But a lot of people use me, and they're all very happy with it. It's the best case scenario because you don't have to paint, you don't have to put filler. When you're selling the car,
so it works out cheaper basically.
It is. I am much cheaper than a body shop, and also when you are selling the car,
original paint.
It's original paint, so you get a better price.
Okay. And a little birdie told me about you might be bringing out some vlog channel, YouTube channel or something.
Well, my mad scientist and myself, friends of us have always said that we are very technical and stuff, and we should bring out a show, for lack of a better word. And we're thinking about it. Hopefully we can bring KVTV in to help us, film and edit and stuff like that. So yeah, look out for it. Look out for it. We should be here.
And I suppose some people might want to know if you're selling the Cube.
Everything has a price. Everything has a price. And you will get the trophy with it.
Thanks a lot. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Let's
have a good one.
I guess, all right, coming down the grid. I guess slow car number 17 and 18. Watch. Watch.
Joanna, Joanna, hey Joanna, Joanna. Joanna, why you do me just like that? I go give you all my loving. Love me too, I love you back. Joanna, you be the man, damn sugar. Man, damn sugar. Oh, hey. Give me your goodie bag, I want your goodie bag, baby. Give me your goodie bag, I want your goodie bag, baby. Big package, hey. how do I manage? Hey, you gon' make me turn savage. Hey, body cause damage. Hey, Joanna, Joanna. How you do me like Joanna?